This video will show you how to replace the sash on a Silverline gliding window. You'll need a replacement sash, windows and doors can be heavy. Use safe lifting techniques and a reasonable number of people with enough strength to lift, carry, and install window and door products to avoid injury and/or product damage. Use extreme care when working around a window opening. Never leave a window opening unattended, especially when children are present. Falling from a window opening may result in severe injury or death. To begin, unlock the window and slide the sash to the center of the window. To remove the sash, lift it up into the head jamb. Then, guide the bottom of the sash toward you. Dispose of the sash properly. For windows with 2 operating sash, repeat the procedure for the second sash. If you have removed both sash, install the replacement sash in the opposite order of removal. Insert the top of the new sash into the outer channel in the head jamb. Then, gently push the sash upward and place the bottom of the sash onto the outer track. Next, insert the top of the new sash into the inner channel in the head jamb. Then, gently push the sash upward and place the bottom of the sash onto the inner track. Finally, close and lock the window. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the sash on your Silverline gliding window.